season of the gentle rain come fall on all our friends, like tears of those who grieve in pain for loves that never end. Oh, clouded eyes, let tears descend as musk upon the air, for every secret envy grows for moons with faces fair. See how the clouds begin to weep while gardens start to smile, for from a father's pleading grief our sick are healed a while. This heavy rain from heaven's hand will moisten lips so dry, a heavier cup the just receive while lighter hearts may fly. The sky is scattered gems and pearls on barren earth below. From poverty a love is born that only dreamers know. This cloud is Jacob in despair that blossomed Joseph in the field, the smiling face of Joseph's kin. From tears we dare to yield. A single drop becomes a gem, a single drop perfume. The open hands of beggars fill with fortune from the bloom. Last night the garden lay asleep, unopened to the day, because the thirsty drank too deep. Our dreamers lost their way. Now hush your lips just like a shell, bring not your drunken pride. Let those who wander from the veils return with open eyes.